Howdy, welcome to this part of the course. I'm happy you made it this far. Well done. Okay, here we are going to create an element for a testimonial where your happy customer is praising your services. While in real life, you'll get a real testimonial. In this demo, I will be using AI to create a good example how it should look like. After that, we'll also add a map to your homepage. Let's get cracking. Let's scroll down the page, click on the plus sign, and select single column structure. First, we can add a heading element, then a testimonial. Just to show you, there is also another testimonial element called the testimonial carousel. The difference between these two is that the other one is for one testimonial and the second one is for many. In this example, we'll use the simple one and can delete the carousel. Now, we'll continue by editing the section margins from Advanced tab. Again, we'll change the units to percentage and type in 2 for top and bottom, and for padding, another 2 and 2. Then we can create the testimonial text with AI. Click on the AI button and write a prompt that will fit your purpose. Well, optimally, there's a real testimonial you can use here. And you can ask your clients to give you one. But here for demonstration purposes, we can create one with AI. Looks okay, but it doesn't need to be very long, so we can make it shorter. Use text and change the name to something else, and the title can be something more endearing. From the Style tab, we can change the title color to the same mint color, so it's visible when we add our background. The testimonial looks fine now, so let's click on the section to open the settings and create a background from the Style tab by selecting the brush icon. Next, click on the AI icon and type in a prompt that might generate something we can use in the background. Sometimes it takes many attempts to get anything usable, and it's highly experimental. So I'll be creating a few of them in this demo. Hopefully you get some good results easily. Let's select the style and aspect ratio. Interestingly, there's nothing about a tiger in the prompt, but it shows up in 2 of them. We're not a zoo, so let's keep trying. Same here. So it looks like we should change our prompt, and that's what I'll do. Now we get completely different, interesting results. Let's try with this blue-yellow style first. Not the best choice. Back to the AI generator, let's edit the prompt again. And wow, interesting things happen again. Okay, I had enough with animals, and we'll use the floral image as the background. Here the obvious problem is the edge of the pattern that makes it look awkward. If we try the previous one, it has the same problem. However, that can be fixed by changing the display size to cover to stretch the image to cover the element. Another tip is to generate a larger image by resizing it with the AI tool, like I'm doing here. Now the image is sharper, but we cannot see anything about the testimonial. No worries, we're going to fix that right now. I'll close the background accordion and open the background overlay. From here, I can choose the blue global color, and by bringing the opacity close to 1, I can make it almost disappear. This way the details are less obvious and simply make the element more interesting than a single color. Next, we can rewrite the title and change the testimonial text color to white to bring it up. And from the Content tab, create an image that will fit the element. Fingers crossed, and let's generate some images. Okay, some expected weirdness, but the last one is nice. Let's use that one. The image is very small, so it works perfectly like this. Let's update and go again to the Advanced tab of the section. I'll add some more padding to give it more room to stand on its own. One neat trick we can use here is to change the background to be fixed. That means when you scroll down the page, the image doesn't move, only the section above it, creating a cool mask effect. Parallax. We got it together, and the result looks good. And we are ready to build the next section. Let's open the editor and scroll down. On the widget menu, let's type in map and drop the map widget on the empty box. Now you can type in the address of your business, which by default is zoomed out a lot. So let's use the slider or type in a larger number like 16 to get closer. Next, we can adjust the height to 600. And that's it. Couldn't be easier. Okay, what if the map widget doesn't work? Let's try an alternative way. Let's type in HTML in the search and drop the widget under the map. Then we can open a new tab and type in Google Maps. Here, type in your business address and hit enter. On the location, click on the share button, and from the embed map tab, change the size to large and click copy HTML. Back in Elementor, we can paste in the code in the HTML code editor, and in 2 seconds we see a similar result like with the widget. Save the changes and open the homepage to see how they look on the live site. Both work fine, so it's up to you which one you prefer to use, and we can delete the other. And update one more time to save the changes. See you on the next video.